end of summer sizzler. It's so good to be here with my team. Dahlia, big up yourself. I told them earlier you're my best friend on the show. You came in a little bit later because you had the show, and we see X-Doll over there. But I'm honored to be with another one of our team players, our partners, our sponsors, Nature's Soul. Nature's Soul has so many supplements for us, and I'll introduce you now to Sabrina Serrant, who is the Vice President of Strategic Planning and Sales. Good to see you. How are you?
I am fine. Thank you very much, Empress.
Excellent.
It's a pleasure to be here, interacting with our consumers and educating them also on the valuable use of our products.
Well, you have the longest line here in
Yes.
Emancipation Park. Why is that?
Okay, well, as you know, once people hear tonic, right, Jamaicans like to have a lot of energy, yeah? And a lot of persons are here to get our samples, both of our Nature's Soul line as well as our Protogem.
Well, you have about 10 samples in front of me,
Yes.
and it's good for the man, it's good for the woman, it's good for diabetes. Take us
Yes.
through the line in the next few minutes.
Okay, so we have 10 lines of Nature's Soul here at the Emancipation Park, and these products are also available at the pharmacies island-wide, and we have our popular ones, which is Stamina and Potency. A lot of men have visited our booth for morning, requesting the same, and they have been enjoying how the packaging is, as well as they're willing to try the product.
I wonder why you say that. Is it that our Jamaican men are lacking in stamina and potency?
Well, some of them will admit to that fact, but not a lot of them will. But when you see that they have a very, good interest in the product, you know that they want to try it.
All right.
Yeah?
Well, Sabrina, it's been a very stressful year for many Jamaicans.
Yes.
With the heat, with the road work, and you have a stress management supplement.
Right. When we also have an immunovital, when you mention, the heat and in terms of the dust and everything, we also have immunovital. We also have antioxidant support. We also have, for the ladies who like to lose weight as well, we have our Slim Fig presentation. We also have other illnesses that we can help to take care of, which includes our diabetes care, our
Yes.
cholesterol care, our menopause care, and also our hemorrhoids care. Then we
Okay.
also have our herbal iron for those who are deficient in iron, as well as those who are anemic.
Excellent.
Excellent.
So what's the price range for these in the stores?
Okay, the price for 60, the packaging is 60. What you're seeing here today, these are sample packs, right? So for a month supply, the patient will be paying about $1,000
Excellent.
per box. And this is for
$1,000
60.
For 60,
60
so that
tablets.
should last us what? A
For a month, right? A month
good month.
supply, right?
Or more, depending if it's one a day
One
or...
a day, two or twice daily,
Yeah.
yes.
All
Yes.
right, so what else do you have? I know you've spoken about the tonics. You have many supplements. Did we even get through all of them? Menopause care.
Yes, we did get through them, yes.
Cholesterol.
Cholesterol care, diabetes care.
Everything.
Yes, everything. So we have all the wonderful products here.
How long have you been on the market?
Okay, these products have been on the market since last year of September, so it's basically 1 year now. And so we are just educating our consumers about the valuable benefits of it, as well as to bring awareness that these brands are available in the pharmacies.
Excellent.
Yes.
And what do you have in store for us at Emancipation Park today? I did mention you have a very long booth, but many people may be watching
Yes.
and are close by. What do you have in store?
Okay, well, we have a lot of giveaways here, and persons are very excited about getting our samples to try the products. We have a lot of samples to give away, hence why the line is so long, right? And we also are giving them the promotional brochures, which will also educate them further about the tonics and the supplements.
And really, you're focusing on helping people to live a healthier life.
Right.
And you're on Instagram and Facebook, I see.
Yes, we are. And also you can visit our website at indiespharma.com.
Indies Pharma.
Yes, indiespharma.com. Yes.
Distributed here by Indies Pharma Jamaica.
Yes.
The Instagram handle is Nature's Soul JA.
Yes.
On Facebook as well.
Yes.
All right. Well, I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.
On
and
behalf of the entire Television Jamaica crew,
Yes.
the audience here today, watching on television and in Emancipation Park, entire TVJ, thanks for partnering with us.
Yes, thank you too as well. And thanks to my hardworking team as well as the Indies Pharma team. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's Nature's Soul, baby, on a Summer Sizzler Friday.